guys with HPMP TV. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and turn notification on. Today I'm going to view a Tower Vortex. This is basically an air fryer, and this is 4.3 liter, and you can see the what you can with that. And basically we can use the Tower air fryer to cook meals, vegetables, poultry, fruit, fish, and wide variety of desserts. It is possible to prepare your entire meal starting from appetizer to main course as well as desserts. Tower air fryer is also allow used to make homemade desserts and everything, even meat, chicken, whatever you want to cook, even delicious sweets and cakes. So I'm just going to open it in front of you guys. You can see that I'm just newly bought this product, and just going to open this one and I will show you how does it work. So look at this. It's I'm just going to open from the packing, and it's very, it's 4.3 liter actually, and it's very wide range in it, so you can make a lot of things. As you can see that on the top there's things what you can cook. There's cakes option, fish, and that's a button. And there's another thing, the temperature, at what maximum temperature you can cook. This is and I'm just going to unseal it for you on the right side. So make sure you do proper things, because if you stick this one, then obviously the paint will come out. See how big is it? It's 4.3 liter. There's a net on the top, and this is the button. Yeah, this one. So you can move forward and back and press this, and you can open that one. There's another thing behind there. The oil will comes down. There's very little oil you can use on it, and if you put it back, I will show you when I'm going to on this one. This one you can make in 200 with 18-20 minutes. This one cake you can 15 to 18 minutes. The fish with it 15 to 20 minutes, and that one is 180, 10 to 15 minutes. And this one, the chicken, basically the whole chicken, you can make it within 25 to 30 minutes. And then this one is 180, whatever. So this one is, I'm going to open it for you, and I'm going to put a chicken, the whole chicken. I put everything on that, and then you can see in this position the legs is down and the upper body on the other side. So whatever you want to cook is entirely up to you. In the meat section, if you want to cook anything, you can. So I'm just going to put it inside. So here we go. So I'm cooking the whole chicken. This is 25 to 30 minutes, and I will do the settings from here first up to 180 centigrade. This is the maximum heat we will give, because the instruction is already there. This is not a difficult job for you guys. Now come back up. It was clearly shown 25 to 30 minutes. Look at this, 25 to 30 minutes. And now this button in the middle, just move forward. This 10, 20 and 30 minutes. So here we go. So I just take it back and just doing the setting. Now I'm just going to put it back inside. So the power is on. The power will on. When the time is finished, we'll give you a sound click, and then it's over. So I just Finish it quickly. Now the just cut it short. You can see the chicken is a very beautiful color. If you go outside and eat outside and order from outside in the restaurant, the same color is came out. It's a beautiful color. So if you want to more like you want to want to take a beautiful color again, you can put it like 5 minutes. So I put it that in 5 minutes. You see the whole chicken, this baby chicken is ready. Yay! So now I'm going to show you, this is a very little oil I used. That's bit only, guys. You see